Hi, my name is Sudhir and I'm going to take through the complete course on Advanced Linear and Logistic Regression Technique in TensorFlow version 2. I have been working as an artificial intelligence developer for several years. I enjoy teaching and love to share my complete knowledge, what I learn in my experience. This course is perfect and one-stop shop for who like to work on end-to-end regression projects in TensorFlow. You will acquire the practical knowledge and that will turn into highly skillful talent which is invaluable future career. I'm very excited that you get to the right place at the right time. So let me walk you through the content of the course. First, you will learn about the TensorFlow 2.x, which is the world's #1 end-to-end open source platform for machine learning and deep learning. This part of the course is fundamental to anyone who wants to deal with programming in TensorFlow version 2. You need TensorFlow in order to elaborate large quantity of financial data, images, text, etc. I do understand that some of you may have the previous experience in TensorFlow and will be interested in advanced topics. However, this course starts with very basics in order to make the material accessible for everyone. If you think the first lessons are too basic, feel free to jump ahead and start the chapters that is more interesting for you. Once we cover the TensorFlow basics, I give you the number of TensorFlow best practices that will transform you an advanced user. At the end of the TensorFlow part of the course, you will be able to program TensorFlow professionally and use the TensorFlow functions, create formulas like custom graph, dense network, and visualizing TensorBoard, many more. Then we will learn about linear modeling. We will cover everything that is necessary so that you can feel confidence when talking about regression, gradient descent algorithm, model architecture, and custom model building in TensorFlow. This part of the course will build on dealing with sample data, and we will allow you to understand what's behind regression to reach the convergence point. At first, we will start the regression technique and idea of the optimization. Then I will teach you gradient descent algorithm to reach the convergence point. Finally, we will program the custom model in TensorFlow for fitting linear model. With this, you will be ready to build any custom model in TensorFlow from scratch. This is just beginning of the course. In the next part of the course, you will start the project on customer revenue prediction. Here, we will walk you through some of the fundamentals of data analysis that you will need in order to get insights from the data, where we will touch on a number of interesting topics like visualizing the data, correlation, and factor analysis towards the revenue prediction. Then we will start learning about Lasso Regression techniques. The modeling technique many companies and industries will use for feature selection and important parameters. Lasso helps the data scientist understand the critical parameters affected towards the total revenue generated. We will study the theory behind the lasso and then gradually build our complete lasso model in TensorFlow to find the penalty factor using which we identify the feature importance and select the features. Working on these advanced lasso techniques help you to do the feature selection even if you are having millions of features. Finally, we will start learning about pipeline model in TensorFlow. Configuring the pipeline model that will allow the model to pre-process and then process the data to your model, which leaves a lasting impression in your audience, which is the last phase of the puzzle really. This course is well designed and each section is continuation of previous section. And at the end, once you complete all the modules, you will become ready and you will be comfortable in start doing projects in TensorFlow. Sounds great, right? Now, let's begin the course together.